Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be putting our Ninja blender to the test once again with whipped cream. Alright guys, it's been 2 years we've had our Ninja blender. I love it. I use it all the time. However, I have never used it to make whipped cream, and I don't know why. I do it manually. It's a lot of work. So I'm hoping that it works this time. I'm gonna test it out just on a high setting, just because I haven't done it before, and we're gonna see if it works out together. So we're gonna pop the release, bring it up. No, guys, it doesn't go down. A lot of people have been asking. It doesn't go down unless it's on the top. So to put it away, you have to have the top connected to the base. All right, so 35% cream, whipping cream, and it goes. Whoop. I don't know how it's gonna work out with the 3 blades, but we've made ice cream before. Check out that video.
We've made snow.
We've made snow.
We've minced meat. We have videos of making peanut butter, making snow,
Yep.
making ice cream, making Disney World's Dole Whip. Amazing. Guys, check out those videos. They're on the channel.
A 1/3 cup of sugar, because that's what whipped cream is. All right, maybe a little less. Pour it in. Pop the top. Oh, we have to match it to the arrows. Click it down. And now turn it on. High speed. Wish us luck.
Whisper quiet.
Okay, it looks thick to me.
Already? Think it's finished?
So I'm gonna just check it. That's freaking awesome.
That literally took 30 seconds.
Oh my God, look.
It's done? Already?
Oh my God, I've been doing this
Wow.
by hand for what?
Guys, that took like 30 seconds.
Let's taste it. Just a little nibbly poo.
Let's see.
Oh my God.
Hold it still because that's a blade. Oh, it's very thick. Look
Careful,
at it.
dude. It's a blade.
Don't worry about it. Look at this.
That is amazing.
There
What
you go.
takes me like 20 minutes by hand took literally 30 seconds.
So guys, anyone out there who's looking to whip some cream for a cake, for a snack, whatever,
Look how thick.
and you have a Ninja blade, look at this.
It's better than Dairy Queen.
You have a Ninja blender.
Oh my God, it is amazing
It
consistency.
was literally 30 seconds to do it, and it's done.
I love my Ninja blender, guys. This is amazing. All right, guys, so try it out. Like, subscribe. We love you. See you on the flip side.